Hello, welcome to the amazing Pick channel. If your lawn's looking rough and you're ready to fix it, you're in the right place. In this video, we've picked 15 electric lawn renovation tools that are perfect for regular homeowners. Easy to use, effective, and way less hassle than gas or manual options. Now sure, there are all kinds of tools out there, but we're focusing specifically on electric tools because they're quieter, lighter, and just more convenient for most people. Whether you're cleaning up, reseeding, or trying to bring your lawn back to life, different tools work best for different needs. That's why this list covers a range, so you can find what fits your yard. Let's get into it. If your lawn's looking patchy, uneven, or just tired, it might be time for a renovation. Not the kind that breaks the bank, but the kind that gives your yard a fresh start with the help of the right tools. Today, I've got 15 electric lawn renovation tools that can make your life easier and your lawn a lot healthier. These aren't just for pros. Anyone can use them, and honestly, once you try even a few of these, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Let's start at number 15 and work our way to the top. You might be surprised by how big a difference some of these can make. At number 15, we have the electric leaf blower vacuum. If you're still using a rake to clear up leaves or debris, this tool is going to feel like cheating, in a good way. A leaf blower vacuum doesn't just blow the leaves around, it vacuums them up and shreds them into mulch, all in one motion. That mulch can go straight into your compost or garden bed, saving you cleanup time and improving your soil. It's an easy win for both tidiness and sustainability. One of the best options right now is the Works WG509 TRIVAC. It's a blower, mulcher, and vacuum all in one, and switching modes is as easy as flipping a switch. At number 14, we have cordless grass, Shears. There are always those tricky spots, around trees, flower beds, or fences, where your mower just can't reach. That's where cordless grass shears shine. They're lightweight, super easy to maneuver, and perfect for detailing. If you care about those clean, finishing touches, these are the kind of tool that makes your lawn look professionally trimmed, even if you only spent 10 minutes. I'd recommend looking into the Scott's Outdoor Power Tools LSS 10172. It's compact, rechargeable, and easy for anyone to use. At number 13, we have the electric lawn edger. Edges matter more than most people think. A clean edge between your lawn and driveway or garden makes the whole yard look sharper and more intentional. Electric. Edgers make that job easy and precise. No more guessing with a shovel or trimmer. It's especially useful after overseeding or leveling when you want a tidy finish. Check out the Greenworks 12 amp electric edger. It's powerful, but still lightweight enough for weekend warriors. At number 12, we have the electric lawn sweeper. This tool quietly sweeps up leaves, twigs, grass clippings, basically anything sitting on the surface of your lawn that could block light or airflow. Think of it like a vacuum for your yard. It's great before fertilizing or reseeding because it gives you a clean slate without wrecking the soil underneath. One great pick is the Earthwise LSW 700-1 Push Lawn Sweeper. It's simple to use and works surprisingly well on uneven surfaces. At number 11, we have the corded electric Dethatcher. If your lawn feels spongy or looks dull, there's a good chance thatch is the culprit. Thatch is that layer of dead grass and roots that chokes your lawn. A Dethatcher lifts all that junk out, letting water, nutrients, and oxygen get to the roots again. Electric ones are great because they don't require fuel, they're lighter, and they get the job done fast. The Sunjo AJ801E is a favorite here. It's got dethatching and scarifying modes, plus a built-in collection bag. At number 10, we have the cordless weed sprayer. Weeds pop up faster than you can bend down to pull them, and when you're trying to renovate your lawn, you need them gone fast. A cordless electric sprayer lets you target problem spots without hand pumping or dragging around a hose. It's great for applying herbicide, lawn tonics, or even just water to new seedlings. Take a look at the VivoSun battery-powered sprayer. Holds a good amount, and the pressure is strong and steady. At number 9, we have the electric lawn roller. After seeding or top dressing, a roller helps press everything into place and gives the soil good contact with the seeds. Traditional rollers can be heavy and hard to manage, but electric versions do the hard part for you. It's also useful for leveling out minor bumps and dips in the yard. Brindley makes a great toe-behind roller for riding mowers. But if you want something lighter and more hands-on, the AgriFab 450267 works well too. At number 8, we have the Cordless String Trimmer. Perfect for edging around trees, sidewalks, and other obstacles. But unlike gas versions, cordless ones are quieter, lighter, and easier to start. You just press a button and go. If you're reshaping your lawn or cleaning up neglected areas, this tool makes it painless. I've had a great experience with the Black Stecker LST300. It's affordable, lightweight, and battery life holds up well. At number 7, we have the Electric Scarifier. A scarifier is like a Dethatcher's tougher cousin. It digs a little deeper to cut through compacted thatch and moss, even slicing into the top layer of soil. That's perfect if you're reseeding or trying to rejuvenate an old, tired lawn. It opens up the soil so nutrients can get in. Check out the Greenworks 10 amp corded scarifier. It's surprisingly effective for its size and doesn't cost a fortune. At number 6, we have the Cordless Lawnmower. Renovating your lawn doesn't end at seeding or leveling. You'll need regular mowing to keep it healthy. Cordless Electric. Mowers are much more manageable than gas ones. No fumes, no pull cord, just charge and go. They're also much quieter, which your neighbors will thank you for. The Ego Power Plus 21-inch mower is a beast. Powerful, efficient, and folds up for easy storage. At number 5, we have the Electric Soil Cultivator. If you've got compacted soil or want to mix compost or seed into the topsoil, a cultivator does it way faster than a shovel ever could. It breaks up dirt, loosens roots, and preps the soil for reseeding or fertilizing. This is a must if you're serious about lawn renovation. Sunjoe's TJ603E electric tiller cultivator is lightweight, reliable, and surprisingly powerful for small yards. At number 4, we have the Cordless Hedge Trimmer. It's not just about the grass. Overgrown hedges can throw shade on your lawn and rob it of sunlight. A cordless hedge trimmer makes it easy to clean up shrubs and borders, so your lawn gets more light and looks tidier overall. I really like the DeWalt 20V Max trimmer. It's powerful but balanced, and the battery lasts a good while. At number 3, we have the Electric Pressure Washer. A clean sidewalk or patio makes your lawn pop even more. Plus, you can use it to wash off muddy tools, clean your mower, or blast dirt out of the edges of your lawn. It's one of those tools you'll keep finding reasons to use. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 is a fan favorite. And for good reason. It's reliable, powerful, and easy to store. At number 2, we have the Cordless Spreader. Whether you're overseeding, fertilizing, or applying soil amendments, an electric spreader gets it done evenly and quickly. No more shaking a handheld unit or pushing a crank. Just set your flow rate and walk. Done. Scott's Wizz. Handheld spreader is perfect for small too, medium lawns, and super easy to use with one hand. And finally, at number 1, we have the corded or cordless lawn aerator. If you do one thing for your lawn this year, make it aeration. Aerating punches tiny holes into your soil, letting in air, water, and nutrients. It relieves compaction and helps roots grow deep and strong. An electric aerator makes this easy. No heavy machinery or manual labor needed. The Von Haus corded aerator is a great place to start. Lightweight, affordable, and perfect for home use. So there you have it, 15 electric tools that take the hard work out of lawn renovation. Whether you're starting from scratch or just trying to fix a few rough spots, these tools make the job easier, faster, and honestly kind of enjoyable. Let me know in the comments which ones you've tried, or which ones you think should have made the list. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tools and tips to get your lawn looking its best. See you in the next one.